Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel, this beautiful day. We're gonna keep working on this game. So today I'm gonna change some stuff in enemy. I'm going to do some stuff that is gonna prepare enemy for some action on a whole different level. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna change some stuff. We're gonna change normalized move direction move, or we're just gonna call it move direction. Actually, move direction. Now we're gonna have to change a bunch of stuff. Move direction, and then we're gonna change the local variable's name to move direction, so we're completely sure what the hell's going on. Move direction, and then in update we're gonna change everything to normalized move direction, normalized move direction. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and do F, make it big, direction, and we're gonna change that to move direction. Change. Was that it? There's a bunch more, and then normalized direction, normalized move direction. So we're going to change all this. Okay. And we should be fine. Ugh, normalized. God damn it. So let's change all of these. Come on. Why isn't it doing it? Change. Normalize. Oh, wow. I screwed up, guys. Move, that's how it was, and I'm just gonna change all that stuff. And change. Boom. Okay, then we're good. Now we changed all the names, even though it took a little bit of time, to whatever we need. And then we're gonna make two more vectors. We'll call them look direction, and then normalized look direction, because it's gonna be different. Very different. Now follow is another case. We're gonna make another case. Move left shoot. So I'm gonna find it. Follow, move left shoot, and then follow fast. So we have move left shoot case, and then break. This is gonna be a nice enemy to handle. It's gonna be the big enemies moving, but they're gonna be able to shoot. So it's gonna be, they're gonna have a different skin, but we have to kind of get this down. So they have a normalized move direction. Normalized move direction is move direction. Okay, so it depends on how we have a move direction. Now let me just do this for now. This sprite move direction is gonna be whatever direction we give it. Max velocity, blah blah blah. And I think move direction is set depending on, yeah, okay. Otherwise, now I just have to check this stuff. Move direction equals move direction. Yeah, you set it here. Okay, so that's good. Now I'm gonna copy paste this. If Alright, so this is going to be look direction, and then look direction. Else it's going to be 0, 0, so they're just going to look whatever, doesn't really matter. We're not going to use that variable for anything else. So normalized move direction is that. Then we're just going to copy this and paste it here. Look direction, normalized look direction, and we have that. And then we're just gonna this sprite.set rotation A10 to this normalized. Are you serious? Why isn't this working? .x, and then no, y actually, y, and then x, and then multiplied by 180 divided by 3.145 something. I did have pi somewhere else. I did have it in here. Here we go. Plus 180. So I'm going to do the plus 180 as well. So it's going to look that way towards the player all the time. And it's going to set the rotation correctly to whatever it needs to be. And it's just going to move to the left. Alright, so there we go. Move left, shoot. Now, where do I set the textures for these is what is interesting. Follow. So texture, set texture, this type. That's good. So if I do 3, we don't have a texture in textures for that. So that's gonna be tough. If this type is larger or equal to this, or just this textures dot size, this, how do I do it? This this textures dot size, then cout std cout no texture for this type, error, new line. So if I even try to do it, else we're gonna go ahead and just do this. Else we're gonna set it. So that's good. That's the error check for our thingy. Set origin, set position. This is good. Let me just copy this. Follow, move left, shoot. So it's gonna be the same HP as that, same damage as that. Max velocity is going to be maybe 10 plus 3. So it can be slow, it can be a little faster. That's good. And a good random thing to do. I think this is a good default enemy. So I'm just gonna do that. Good. Now we have the third enemy. Let's see if we have a texture for that enemy. I do have a texture for that enemy. I just want to flip it. I want to flip it. I don't want to have to flip it in the game. So let's go into Pixlr, our beautiful editor. Google Pixlr editor. Okay, open a picture, and then we're just gonna do horizontally, save that as a PNG. Enemy, what is enemy follow, enemy move left shoot. So enemy move left shoot. Save it. Close this. Move left shoot. I might keep that for other stuff. So move left shoot. In game, where do we add the textures? Oh, we initialize textures. Temp. Okay, so let's follow. The third one is gonna be enemy move left shoot. That PNG. That's good. And then the enemy is gonna get that number. Now in game, in update, when we spawn enemies, enemy timer, enemy spawn timer, here we go. We're just gonna do that to 3. So we might get the third one as well. And then let's see if this works. Now it might work. Just compiling everything. See the beautiful black little dust thingy coming out. Alright, so yeah, look, it's looking at the player all the time. It's looking at the player all the time. But we have to set the origin for it. I don't think its origin is set correctly. So, oh, this is the issue. I want it to shoot all the time. So, just like that. And then we're going to rotate. Set rotation A10 to look direction X multiplied by. So, we're good. Plus 180. I think it was flipped, that's why. Let me see. Yeah, it is rotating. It is rotating correctly. So they're gonna be going past and they're gonna be shooting. I'm not sure, but okay, whatever. It looks fine. Now that's good. Now I want to switch them up a little bit. I want to go into enemy and I want to do move left shoot. When I create them, I want to do a little different. So their HP is going to be less, their damage is going to be less, their max velocities are going to be kind of 15 to 5, I think should be good. They should be slow. I think they should be slower. Some of them could be slower, some of them could be faster. Some of them will just buzz past, but they have a little too big of a scale. So I'm just saying, if I'm gonna set the scale of an enemy, I might not want to do it in game. I'm just saying, I might not want to do it here because I have it 0.1 no matter what. So I think I'm gonna remove that actually in enemy. I think I'm gonna remove the ability to set the scale, and I'm gonna do type. I'm gonna go into enemy. I'm gonna remove the scale completely. I'm gonna just do direction, window bounds, texture scalar, player follow number, textures, window bounds. I think this is cleaner. There we go. Player follow number. Remove this and just set scale is gonna be 1 no matter what. In move left, I'm gonna have the scale to be vector 2f 0.2 0.2f. That might be really big, but we'll see. I like the scale of the follow. So it was 0.1 0.1. Actually, I can make them a little bigger like that. Move left shoot, they were too small, I think, so I'm gonna 0.2. So, and in game, obviously we're gonna have to remove this. The less here the better, I have to say. The less there the better, because I can control it a little more within enemy. Okay, now they're pretty huge. That's huge. they're pretty huge now. I don't want them to be that huge. I want those to be enemy to 0.4, 0.4. 0.2 was a little big. Oh no, 0.1, 0.12. This could be 0.12 as well. Now those size, actually those are good. Those are good. 0.15. So get a little bigger, just a little bigger. So a little bigger. Oh wow, wait, what? Did I screw something up? Yeah. Just set the position after all of this is done. Now, okay, wow, I didn't think about that. So now the origin should be in the center as well. Okay, so we're good. Now we're good. I think they're rotating correctly. I'm not sure, guys. Nope, they're not. That's weird. They're kind of like, I mean, width and height. The HUI enemy. I'm gonna put it to the center. I'm just gonna see where that text is. If they're rotating along, that is kind of weird. It should be at the center of their bodies now. I don't get that. I don't get why that's not working. The set origin. Like, should I just do this before everything or what? I mean, what can I do? It should be right after this sprite dot set texture. Let me just set the origin, and then maybe that's better. Oh, whoops! What am I doing? Now it looks good. Why did that make it so freaking weird? That is so weird. Now it looks alright. Wow. Okay. I don't know, guys and girls. You don't ask me about that. I won't answer because I have no clue. But apparently this worked because I set position afterwards or something. I'm not sure. Something weird happened. But whatever. It worked. So maybe it has something to do with scale. But yeah, I guess it's gonna scale it depending on the origin as well. But whatever. We're good now. Let's go to game. First enemy. Close this down. Go to game. Update enemy UI. And we gotta do this way more now. Gotta do this minus and this enemies is, god damn it, enemies. What am I doing, dudes? Enemies at position index dot get global bounds dot height. So I'm going to get the whole height of the enemy, and I'm going to do minus that, and then X is fine. So hopefully this is going to make it always be where I want it to be, instead of, so no matter what. Okay, I guess that's good. Minus height divided by 2. What about now? Is it gonna be nice and clean? No. Minus height. Well, divided by height, well, you know, it's a little too much. Plus, maybe. Well, it's gonna depend, so. Well, we'll just have it like that. You know what? We'll just have it like that. Who cares? We're good. Alright, let's play a game just as I end this video. Now, they aren't shooting. I'm gonna do that in the next video, where they shoot as well. And they're gonna fill the screen with a bunch of stuff. Yeah, bros. Oh my god, everything's working just like I want it to. Those are big and fat and I love it.